Generate stunning AI art locally, completely free, with more control than top models. We'll set up your personal AI art studio, surpassing even Gemini or Imagen's capabilities. Cloud-based AI art costs money, limits privacy, and offers less control. Installing locally provides unparalleled freedom, privacy, and endless customization options. But then, where do you even begin? Our secret weapon is Stable Diffusion, powered by Automatic1111's WebUI. It's robust, community-driven, and completely free. However, getting it up and running requires a few foundational pieces. You'll need a decent GPU, NVIDIA preferred, 8GB VRAM minimum, Windows or Linux, and ample storage. This is crucial for smooth operation. But then, what if your system doesn't quite meet the mark? First, download Python 3.10.6. Ensure Add Python to Path is checked during installation. This step is vital for the WebUI. However, common installation errors can easily derail your progress. Next, install Git. This allows you to clone the Automatic1111 repository and easily update it later. Just accept the default settings. But then, navigating the command line can be intimidating for newcomers. Open your command prompt, navigate to your desired installation directory, and use --git clone repository URL --. This downloads the entire WebUI. Until, of course, you realize you need the actual AI models. Download your base Stable Diffusion models, e.g., SDXL or SD 1.5 checkpoints, from Hugging Face or Civitan. Place them into the --models, Stable Diffusion folder. However, choosing the right model can be overwhelming. Navigate to your Automatic1111 folder and run --WebUI user.bat Windows or --WebUI.sh Linux. It will download dependencies and open in your browser. But then, what if it doesn't open? Encountering errors? Check your Python version. Ensure Git is in path, or try updating dependencies. Community forums are a treasure trove for solutions. Until, finally, you're ready to create amazing art. In the Text to IMG tab, enter your prompt. A majestic dragon flying over a fantasy castle, epic lighting. Hit generate. This is where the magic truly begins. However, simple prompts often yield bland results. Negative prompts tell the AI what to avoid. Add ugly, deformed, blurry to refine your output, preventing common imperfections. But then, what about controlling the style and detail even further? Experiment with samplers like DPM++, 2M Keras and adjust steps. 20 to 30 is a good start for different artistic styles and detail levels. Until you discover the importance of guidance for perfect images. CFG scale dictates how closely the AI adheres to your prompt. Higher values mean more adherence, but can introduce artifacts. Find your sweet spot, but then, how do you inject specific poses or compositions? Use inpainting to modify specific areas of an image, or outpainting to expand its borders, creating vast new scenes. These tools offer incredible creative freedom. However, achieving perfect consistency can be tricky. ControlNet is a game changer, allowing you to guide generation with reference images for pose, depth, or edges. This ensures exact compositions and styles, until you master its advanced configurations. The Extensions tab offers a universe of add-ons, upscalers, animation tools, and more. Browse, install, and restart for new capabilities. But then, which ones are truly worth your time? Download specialized models and LoRa's low-rank adaptation to generate specific styles, characters, or objects. These fine-tuned models elevate your art. However, managing many models can become complex. Save time by generating multiple images simultaneously with batch count and batch size settings. Explore variations efficiently to find the perfect shot, until you need to iterate on a single concept. The seed number determines the initial image noise. Keep it consistent to reproduce specific results or vary slightly for subtle changes. But then, what if you want to reuse a generated image as a starting point? Upload an existing image and use IMG to IMG to transform it based on your prompts, maintaining composition while changing style or content. However, striking the right balance of creativity and fidelity is an art. In IMG to IMG. Denoising strength controls how much the AI alters your input. Low values retain more original details. High values allow radical transformations. Until you grasp its impact on artistic freedom. Generate images fast at lower resolutions. Then use built-in upscalers like ESRGAN or SwinIR to enhance detail and resolution without quality loss. But then, true cinematic quality requires more than just resolution. Dive into settings like Flipskip to influence artistic interpretation, or Pyrs. Fix for sharper details. These nuances refine your unique artistic voice. However, the sheer number of options can be daunting. Join online communities on Reddit, Discord, and Civitan. Share prompts, learn new techniques, and download incredible user-created models. This collaborative spirit fuels innovation. Until you're ready to create something truly unique. Optimize performance with command line arguments like xformers or medvrim to reduce memory usage and increase generation speed, even on less powerful GPUs. But then, is it truly better than the big players? Unlike cloud services with their strict content filters and usage costs, your local setup offers complete creative freedom, no censorship, and infinite generations. However, the biggest question remains. Mastering these local tools provides granular control, access to cutting-edge community models, and complete ownership. This hands-on power consistently yields results far exceeding limitations and generic outputs from Gemini or Imagen. Ready to unleash your personal AI art studio? Like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment with your first amazing creation.